In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Jira. To get started, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and that you have access to the space or folder where you want this integration to live. We'll begin from the list view because that's where integrations like this are typically managed. So open the relevant space or folder and switch to the list view if you're not already there. This gives you a structured layout of your tasks and is the ideal place to connect external apps. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the navigation column. Look for the option that expands additional settings or tools, often labeled as More or represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where ClickUp groups advanced options, including the integrations we're interested in. From this expanded menu, find and select Apps. The Apps section is where ClickUp lets you connect with third-party tools like Jira. Clicking on Apps will open a panel or window showing all the available integrations that you can enable for your workspace. Within the Apps view, scroll or browse until you find Jira. The apps may be listed alphabetically or grouped by category, so take a moment to locate it. Once you see Jira in the list, click on it. This will open the specific integration page for Jira, where you can read a short description and see what kind of data it can access or sync. On the Jira integration page, look for the button that says Connect. Click that button to begin the connection process between ClickUp and Jira. At this point, ClickUp will hand you over to the Jira and Atlassian authentication flow to make sure you're securely connecting your account. A pop-up will appear asking you to log into your Jira or Atlassian account. Here, you can enter your email address and password, or choose one of the single sign-on options like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, depending on what your organization uses. Choose the method that matches how you normally sign into Jira. Take your time to confirm that you're using the correct account, especially if you have access to multiple Jira sites. Once you've entered your details and any required verification, look for the Continue button in the pop-up. Click on Continue to authorize the connection. After this, ClickUp and Jira will be linked, and you'll be able to start configuring how tasks and issues sync between the two platforms within your ClickUp workspace.